Ngayon, what's next? Okay, parang kung titignan mo, hindi nga to nag-hesitate, oh. Ito sa on a daily, no? Hindi siya nag-hesitate, hindi siya nauntog diretso. Sobrang lakas ng bulls. The question in my mind is this: are they really bullish sa market kaya nila pinush ito because of the news? Okay, naka-timing nakatahi dun sa news Bullish ba talaga sila or they want to trap or they liquidated shorts? I don't know, I haven't researched May mga na-liquidate na mga naka-short. So yun hindi ko po alam. It is what it is. I saw this is a long green massive God candle similar to this one. Kita nyo po to, no? Okay? Nung bumasag din siya dun sa SR flip area, okay, long green, and then we consolidated, we form a parallel channel. So this one, okay, ano ini-expect natin? A possible flag again. If ever, mga titos and titas, remember, meron tayong theory din dito, no? And observation. First flag, 70-80% chance of breaking out pataas or breaking down. So ito po yung first flag para dun sa mga kaka-tune in lang. So yan po yung first flag. This is our second flag. And now, most likely we're going to form our third flag. Yung second flag has 50-50 chance of breaking out or breaking down. 50-50. The market decided to break out. Okay, so yung third flag, mas lower po yung chance nito. I would say 40-60 or 30-70. I would say, So what can we expect in the immediate short term sa price ni Bitcoin? We're expecting it to consolidate and form a flag. Simple. Over the weekend, pwede po siyang gumawa ng flag. Ang mga flags may iba't ibang klase. Pwede po siyang gumawa ng flag na ganito. Ganyan. Normally, ganito yung nakikita natin na flag no? So pull, tapos nagpo-pull back. Okay, tapos bumabasag. Ito po, isang klaseng flag din yan. Kung ginawa na yan. Pwede rin yung triangle talaga. Yung mas common sa atin, no? Something like this. Paganyan. Depende. It's too early to tell kung ano yung gagawin niya na flag. But the common one is paganito po. Yung common na flag. Okay? So, yan in-expect natin. So, I will be surprised if ito, okay, talagang malakas yung bulls nito. Nag-long green mamaya.